Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account linked to your business profile. This prevents permission errors later. Once signed in, open Google Business Profile Manager and choose the exact location you'll edit. Make sure you have the complete social media URLs ready, not just handles, because you'll paste full links. This speeds the process and avoids typos. Gather Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and YouTube links before you continue to the editing steps. Now edit your business profile info. Click Info and locate website, business description, or other editable fields. If Google doesn't offer a dedicated social links field for your profile, use posts, services, or a short, disciplined description to include links, but prioritize the website field for a cleaner appearance. Paste each full social URL, starting with your primary platform, and confirm there are no extra spaces. Make sure links use https:// and test one after pasting to verify correct redirection before saving changes. Save your edits and be patient. Updates can appear within minutes or occasionally take up to 3 days. Once changes propagate, test every social link on both desktop and mobile to confirm they open correctly. Clear your browser cache if you see outdated data. If a link fails, verify the URL isn't a redirect that Google blocks. Ensure the social account is public and check for policy-related flags. If problems persist, remove the link. Wait 24 hours, then re-add it to prompt a fresh validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.